So today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite apps on the App Store, which is this one here, Zello. And basically what Zello does is it's a walkie-talkie over the internet, which just uses your phone. So I'm gonna install Zello on my old phone and I'm gonna demo it for you. So you're gonna see these two phones talking to each other over the internet. So now that it's installed, let's open it up and I'm going to sign in. Okay, so I've signed in on my old phone and I'm already signed in on my new phone over here. And so basically on Zello you have these three screens. This one here is the one that shows your recent messages. That one there shows all your contacts, so you can click on one of your contacts and then talk to them directly. And then that one over there shows your channels. So if you want to talk on a channel, you can just hit on the channel, push to talk button and start talking. So if I try and talk between these two phones, I'm going to go to my contact here. I'm going to hold the button. Hello, test. Hello, test. And see, it came through relatively quickly onto the other phone, and I can message them back. Hello, test. So now that contact has come up in the recents, and so let's say if I just opened up the app to see who was talking, let's say it was in my pocket and I didn't know who was calling me, I could open it up, see that in the recents. I can also replay the message. Hello, test. And I can push the button and talk back. So there's a bit of feedback here because I've got them both on right next to each other. But this is a very handy app. It's better than using phone calls if you want to be able to communicate with someone quickly and you don't want to have to wait for them to pick up. And the good thing about it is that it works over Wi-Fi, over all kinds of data connections. Even if your data connection is really slow, this will still work, it'll just lag a bit. And it also has a Windows program, which you can see here. And that means I can talk on all three of these. So I've put them all in the same channel now. And if I talk on one of them, it will come up on all of them. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. So you heard it on both this phone and on the computer through my speakers. There is a little bit of lag on it sometimes, but it usually works relatively quickly. And so some of you might be wondering now, what's the point in buying walkie-talkies when you can just use this on phones that you already have? And the difference between this and walkie-talkies is that this goes over the internet, so you have to have an active internet or data connection to use it. And also this is not quite as reliable as walkie-talkies. When you're in range on walkie-talkies, they're always going to work. But with this, you don't know if it's always going to work. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes the messages don't come through for a while. So when you need instant communications that are very reliable, then walkie-talkies are the correct solution. But if you just want to mess around with something and be able to talk to someone instantly and conveniently, then this is a good solution for that. So that was my short video on Zello. I hope you found it interesting, and maybe I've convinced you to give Zello a try as well. Yeah, I'm not getting anything on DMR. Are you receiving me on Zello now?
I'm receiving you on Zello. I thought you said switch to analog, so I've switched to analog. I'm on channel 8, PMR 446.
Oh right, okay. Yeah, I didn't say which channel, so I didn't know which channel on analog you were going to be on. Yeah. I'll switch to that one now then.
Okay, I'm on channel 8. I think there might be somebody else on there though.
Yeah, probably, but I mean there'll probably be someone on all of those channels because they're so busy around London. Okay, I'm on that channel now. I'll go ahead and try calling you.